Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to edit the greeting text in WordPress for the year 2025. This tutorial is designed to be completed in approximately 5 minutes and will walk you through each stage of the process in a clear, easy-to-follow manner. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once the homepage has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you will see the login option. Clicking on this link is your first step in accessing the WordPress dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your website. After clicking the login button, you will see several authentication options. For a smooth and secure login experience, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This allows you to link your Google account to WordPress securely and efficiently. When you choose this option, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply select the account you want to use to access your site. This method ensures a fast login while maintaining the highest level of security. Once you are successfully logged in, focus on locating the settings section in your WordPress dashboard. Within the settings area, you will find multiple configuration options for managing your website. Carefully navigate to this area to control different elements of your site. For this tutorial, the focus will be on personalizing the greeting text that welcomes visitors when they first arrive on your page. Within the settings menu, locate and click on the discussion tab. The discussion settings manage how visitors interact with your content, including comments, notifications, and other text-based elements. Although this section contains several options, the main area of interest is the greeting text field, typically located near the bottom of the page. Scroll carefully until you find this field, which allows you to edit or enter a new message that will be displayed to your visitors. Editing your greeting text is a simple yet highly effective way to make your website feel more personal and engaging. Before making any changes, it is helpful to have your new greeting prepared so you can quickly review and paste it into the field. Make sure the text is free from errors, concise, and conveys the welcoming message you want your audience to experience. Once your new greeting is entered, the final step is to save your changes. Locate the Save Changes button on the page and click it to apply all your modifications. After saving, WordPress will typically display a confirmation message indicating that your updates have been successfully implemented. Happy WordPress using!